In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Paysafecard on a PlayStation 4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Paysafecard to make any sort of purchase on a PlayStation 4 is extremely simple. You will be able to purchase games, expansions, and add-ons as you wish, as long as your Paysafecard has enough balance loaded into it. So all that you have to do is visit the official PlayStation website as you can see here, or you can follow along through the console itself. Simply open the PlayStation Store on your PlayStation 4 and proceed to the specific title, expansion, or add-on that you would like to purchase. You will be able to choose to use your Paysafecard when you reach checkout. So just browse through all of the games, and once you find something that you want to purchase, add to your cart and proceed to checkout like I mentioned. So I'm just gonna sign in to show you the full process. When you reach checkout, go to the option to add a payment method, and in here you can select between two main methods. You can either add a credit or debit card or a PayPal account. So, of course, as you might expect, the main way is to add a credit or debit card. In here, you can include the details about the card that you would like to use to finish making this purchase, and as long as you include the details about your PaySafe card, you will be able to pay for this specific purchase. Now, alternatively, if you cannot use credit or debit card, if it isn't working when you try to proceed to checkout, the next best option that you have is to add a PayPal account. This way, if you are able to transfer over any amount of balance on your Paysafe card to PayPal, you can link it to your PlayStation account to finish making this purchase. Now, the last method that you have is using a PlayStation gift card. So if you can find a retailer or somewhere online that you can purchase a PlayStation gift card, you will be able to redeem the balance into your account and pay for your purchase this way. Regardless of which option you choose, you will be able to use the Paysafe card to make the purchase and complete your order on your PlayStation 4. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Paysafecard on a PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.